Alright, I'm gonna try this again. My dog's just barking, making noise, and I wanna give you guys an update. And this is an information video for you guys with these trucks. This is a 92 F-150 base model truck. The parts are cheap for this truck. You can make them look good. You could not make them look good. Whatever. So when I bought this truck about 2.5 years ago. I think it's going on 3 years. I'm not sure. I forget. And this is the base model truck. It came with the stamped steel wheels. It came with a rusty bed and a rusty floor. LLC truck. I got new patch panels, roll pan. I mean, not roll pan. Cab corner, rocker. I replaced that for like, I think 50, 60 bucks. I got this new dash bezel right here from like eBay for like 25 bucks, or was it Amazon? Turbo kit was kind of put together for like 200 or 300 bucks. The bed was rusty. Like I said, I got one from Facebook Marketplace for 100 bucks, and it came with a new set of tail lights. And I replaced the tail lights to these factory ones that came with this bed just this past weekend, just because I like the way the reverse lights wrapped around. I know they gotta be clean or clear coat or something like that, but I'll do that on another date. I put a roll pan on that was like 60 bucks. Toolbox there from like a Toyota Tacoma, bought off Amazon for like 50 bucks. Wheels was like 100 bucks, and I sold the factory stamp steel wheels and have aluminum wheels. The truck is pretty nice pretty fun for what it is. This is a like bug out vehicle. This is a car that I just don't care if people are leaning on it. I don't care if people throw trash in the back. I don't care if a branch falls on it. It's kind of meant just to have fun. I used it for remodeling and some parts for my house and going to Home Depot and stuff like that. Scrap yard, dump to the dump and stuff like that. I put a turbo kit that I made up, with Amazon parts pretty much. MSD stuff. It has 2-step. Super base model truck. Now the inline 6 is infamous for lasting forever, so I put 5 pounds of boost through this engine every day. And then when I drive this truck, I drive it like I stole it. Again, this truck's meant to have fun. This is not my daily driver. I do drive it at least once or twice a week. Now, for those who are wondering about the belt size on these trucks, if you don't have the air pump or the AC, delete, you could run. I'm going to put the part number here. There's 2 belts they could use. It's a 79-inch 0.9 and like an 80-inch 0.1 belt. You can run the Dayco belt, or you can run the Duralast belt. The Duralast belt I bought today, and it was a little bit loose for my liking, so I went back to the Dayco. Remember, I won't have it around here somewhere, so look at it. And this is for if you're not having no AC or air pump on this vehicle, on this engine. So the belt size is pretty good for what it is. It squeals when you start it, but I figure out my main culprit on this truck. The belt was squeaking originally when I bought the truck, and then when I deleted the AC, I changed to this belt and it was still squeaking. And then I adjusted the timing when I was putting the turbo in, and it squealed a lot. Right now, I put this Dayco belt back on, and I have the Duralast right here. Again, here's the part number for the Duralast. But the truck doesn't squeal as much when you start it up. It goes straight to high idle like it should. That's it. Originally, when I got this truck and I did the turbo setup for like the last 2 years, when you start this truck up, it will squeal for a good minute, and it was kind of annoying. Then it will go away. Now that the truck goes on high idles, timed correctly, and it runs phenomenal, it does great burnouts, it starts up and it goes right away, and I could live with that. That's better than having a thing just squealing for like a good minute. Actually, I timed it was over a minute. But yeah, so in case you're looking for information on the belt size for a 4.9, there you go. Again, I'm gonna put it right here. You guys have a best one, and if you're ever looking into a project truck, look into one of these. They're super cheap, they're everywhere. You could be like me and not really care about the dents and scratches on it and just make it look better and not really care and drive it through a field. Or you could, make it look nice and lower it, put some wheels on it, or get a 4x4 and lift it up. You could do so many things with these, but the 4.9, in my opinion, is the way to go. They last forever. They don't have that much horsepower, even with this turbo. I guess it has like 190 horsepower to the wheels. It has a lot of torque, it does great burnouts, but that's about it. You guys have a blessed one.